Hey everyone, today I'm going to explain how to get a plumbing contractor license, also known as the C36 license in California. So this license is for people who install, repair, and service plumbing systems, including water piping, gas piping, waste systems, fixtures, water heaters, valves, and backflow preventers. So to qualify, you must be at least 18 years old, you have a social security number or ITIN, and have at least 4 years of journeyman level plumbing experience. So this means you can do plumbing work without direct supervision. So once you qualify, submit your application to the Contractor State License Board. After it process, you can schedule your exams, and you will need to pass 2 exams, the law and business exam and the plumbing trade exam. So after passing, complete the final requirements such as fingerprinting, bonding, and any remaining paperwork. And once everything is approved, your 36 license can now be issued. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.